welcome to Tezeon. I'm Mahmoud Camilo, and today I'm going to show you how to shop on Tezeon without a hassle. Tezeon is an e-commerce platform that promises what you see is what you get. At Tezeon, photo is a contract. Whatever you see on our platform and whatever we deliver to you, if it doesn't match, you have the right to return it. So now let me show you how to shop on Tezeon. This is how the website look like when you log in with your laptop or your computer. So let's go down so that you see what is there, all the sections. These are the products I've already viewed. So let's go down. So these are some of the products available now on the website. Assuming I want to buy a product, I can just go, let's say, let me click this one. Then I'll go to product detail. Then I read all the descriptions and I look like the one that I need. Um, let's say I'm not interested in this, then I'll come back and click this one. Maybe I want this one. And most product has videos that you can watch. You can watch the video and look at the product very well. If it is what you needed, then you can go ahead and buy. So let's say this is what I want and it is already in stock, but we don't have it in Ghana here yet. But when you order within 7 working days, it will be, you get it. So now let's say I pick this one and I'm going to pick iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I'm going to read the description. I think this is what I actually need for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Then I can decide to add the quantity or leave it as one, and I can also send WhatsApp message if I'm not comfortable going ahead to follow the process to check out. But here I prefer adding it to cart and checking out. So once I add to cart, then I can now check out. But let me first check something. Let me go again. This is the product that I'm looking for, and I'm going to add to cart. Now that I've added the product to cart, do I want to continue shopping or do I want to view the cart? Because this is the only item I want, I'm going to view the cart. So this is my cart, and I have seen Soteni iPhone 17 Pro Max wireless charging case with card holder and stand. So I'm just going to proceed to checkout, and this, I'm in a checkout page now. If I have a coupon, I can apply it here, and I have a coupon of coupon code is save 20 that I'm going to apply. I've gotten, let's say, 50 Ghana cedis. I've saved 50 Ghana cedis on this one, and let me continue to check out. I can now add my address if I don't have address. Because I already have address, I'm going to continue to check out with this. Now proceed to payment. Because this is the only payment available now, we put it in purpose because we believe you need to see the item and verify before we take our money. So, and we can review our order, and if everything is in place, we place our order. I think everything is okay. I'm going to place the order now. So our order is processed now. Once it is done, we can now check the order status, and we will receive an email to notify us that our order is processing. And whenever our order status change, it will be, we will see it here on our dashboard. You can see that I have total of 6 orders and they are all pending. Some are confirmed, some are still processing, right? Those are my orders. Then I can go ahead, and now that I've already ordered, I can also check other stuff. This is the items I add as my wish list, and I can check my payment methods. I haven't used any payment methods. Think it's okay, and I'm done. So I can go back and shop again. Can go to explore a lot, most of the products here. I think I like this one too, and I'm going to check this one as well. This one is very nice. But I think I've already spent my money, but let me go back. And there's one cool feature that I would like to show you. It is very interesting. This is Tezeon AI. It is an AI shopping assistant that will help you with your shopping. So as you can see, it has opened here. This is the AI shopping assistant. Um, just going to check it out. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, this is the AI shopping assistant. Assuming I just need something. I need fashion and clothing. Yes, I just need something from fashion. This one, you don't have to search anything. Just describe whatever you want, and the AI will be able to give you exactly what you need. As you can see, the AI has given me, I have found a stunning trending fashion items for you. The men's solid color O-neck t-shirt is perfect for every wear. This is breathable cotton and slim fit for 100 Ghana cedis. For more premium look, check out the premium leather phone case for your iPhone, which combines luxury and artistic. And now this is what we have here. And if I'm interested in buying this thing, I can also click it and I can just check out again. But that's not what we are here. We've already checked that. And thank you for coming, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.